Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to blur on Clipchamp. Okay, so if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to import your media. So I'm sorry for this. Okay, and now let me just go ahead and import one of this. Okay, so just go ahead and drag your video from here to here. Okay, so now let me just go ahead and select a part where I want to blur. So for example, this part. This is just an example, okay? So the first part is this one, okay? So I'm going to cut it by clicking the scissor icon and then move it until the last part of the part, okay? So click again on the scissor icon. And now just go ahead on the part where you want to blur. Then click on effects here at the right side of your screen. And then just go ahead and find the blur option. This one. Okay, but it is loading. So let's just go ahead and wait for it. This one. The blur, okay? So now as you can see, there's this option, right? So it changed the intensity of the blurriness. Okay, so for example, that one. Okay, so now just go ahead and adjust this setting or the intensity if you want to. And then now, once I play the video, as you can see, this part is not blurry. And then let me just go ahead and adjust it. And then when it comes to this part, as you can see, this video is now on blur. Okay, so now just go ahead and export your video if you're happy with this one. And then that is how you blur a video using Clipchamp. Okay, so I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.